This is an upgraded version of my model of Kingston Tower. This is a sanding tower located on the New York Central West Side Line in Kingston, New York. The actual tower had a structure where the sand bunker is right now, which I did not include for the sake of railroad size. It is a masonry and simulated wood structure that's a lost wax cast ladder of my own design. Miniatronics 12-volt lamps, Berkshire Valley lampshades. The sand spout is a new design which now swivels in a universal pattern and is counterbalanced with two pulleys. This model also includes scenery and weeds and a figure back in the sand bunker. It also includes new under eaves rafters, which are new castings for this model. It's approximately 3.5 by 9 inch base and stands approximately 8 inches high. The sand load is removable and the flasher is a Evan Designs 1.8mm LED. Kingston Tower.